Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As promised, today I've got another nail art video using the B056 Coasting to the Sea stamping plate from Up Nails. I think this is one of the cutest plates that I have, and it's so summery and I love it. So today I'm going to be doing a beachy design, and for this design I'm going to be starting off with UNT's Ready for Takeoff base coat, and I'm going to apply that to all of my nails. Then I'm going to be applying 2 coats of ORLY's On Your Wavelength, which is a really pretty pale blue polish. I'm going to stamp a couple different images from the B056 stamping plate. The first one is this full-size sandcastle image. I'm going to stamp that in black, and then I'm going to color in the shovel with a bright pink polish. Then I'm going to color in the rocks with a gray polish, and finally I'm going to fill in the sandcastle with a dusty rose gold holographic polish. As always, I'll leave a list of the products that I'm using down in the description below. And once I'm finished coloring in the image, I'm going to stamp it onto my middle nail. And for my other nails, I'm going to be creating a beachy landscape, and to do that, I'm going to be painting the lower third of my nail with that same dusty rose gold holographic polish, and then I'm going to rip off a tiny piece of a makeup sponge and paint a little bit of white on the tip, and then I'm going to dab that where the rose gold polish meets the light blue polish to give the illusion of some waves. And then for the index nail and my pinky nail, I'm going to be using that bottom part of that sandcastle image. I'm going to color in the starfish with a coral shade, and on my pinky nail I used a purple shade, and then I'm going to color in the rocks with a white polish, and I'm going to stamp that onto the bottom of my nail. And for my ring fingernail, I'm going to be stamping this adorable little crab with a black stamping polish, and then I'm going to color in his eyes with a white polish, and then the rest of his body with a red polish. And once I'm done coloring him in, I'm going to stamp him onto my nail. And to finish off this design, I'm going to apply 1 coat of a fast drying glossy top coat. And here is the finished beachy nail art design. So anyways, that's all for today's nail art video. If you want to see some of my other nail art videos or the other nail art design I created using the same plate, then you can click the links on your screen at the end of the video or in the description box below. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and let me know what you thought of this nail art design by leaving me a comment. And if you recreate this design, I would love to see it, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!